3, go.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Can I have spaghetti?
Yes, of course. How much do you want?
One packet, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Do you want anything else?
Yes, please. Have you got marjoram?
No, sorry.
And can I have cheese, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. How much is it altogether?
It's 9 euros, please.
Here you are. 10 euros.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.